In news overseas, Donald Trump has nominated Kari Lake as the next United States ambassador to Jamaica. Lake, a former television news anchor and Republican political figure from Arizona, most recently served as senior advisor to the United States Agency for Global Media, the body which oversees Voice of America. Her nomination was announced today by President Trump and is subject to confirmation by the United States Senate. The appointment comes just weeks after a U.S. district judge ruled that Lake had been unlawfully appointed to run the U.S. Agency for Global Media. In 2022, she left broadcasting to run for governor, winning the Republican nomination with the endorsement of Donald Trump, but narrowly lost the general election.
The Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.